Did you know that more than 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute? So, what makes a video stand out in such a sea of content? In this quick video, I will tell you a YouTube secret that only a few creators know. Here is the secret simplified and presented openly. This is what really happens when you upload a new video to YouTube. First, the video is analyzed by the AI to make sure it conforms with YouTube's policies before it's really pushed out to the audience by the algorithm. Second, and this is the secret you have been waiting for, the video is shown to a few pre-selected YouTube users who have opted in using experimental features. A message is shown to those users after they watch your video, asking them whether they think this video was helpful or not, and they're also given the option to select how did that video help them or how it didn't. And this is the game changer. If you can understand your audience better, then you will make content that resonates well with their expectations from your video, and this is when they will choose to select that this video was helpful. This is when the YouTube algorithm will push your video out to even more audience, repeating the same process of asking some people if they found your video helpful. And if they do hit that like button or answered yes, it's helpful, then again the algorithm will push your video out to even more audience. If they decide to subscribe to your channel, well, that simply means that it's not just that they found the video helpful, but also they have decided to subscribe, which in the language of the algorithm means more engagements to show more ads, so your channel gets promoted along with your videos to an even bigger audience circle. This one little secret you just learned holds the key that will help you unlock the ultimate content creation dream. A self-growing channel, where a video you posted a year ago is still getting more and more views, making you more and more income. And, of course, it doesn't stop here. Here are a few more tips and tricks laid out quickly to help better support your channel. Number 1. Make sure the file name of the video you upload to YouTube is the same or close to the video title. Do not upload a file named Untitled Video. It's a negative thing for the algorithm. Number 2. Do not upload a video and just leave YouTube, but instead, watch the video you just uploaded in full. Like it, and also leave a comment. This helps the algorithm understand that you're not just a shy creator, but rather someone who is open for commenting and conversations, and it will push your videos to people who are frequently commenting and engaging in conversations. Number 3. Join online content creator communities. Other people like you who want to grow their channel have formed groups on various social media platforms, and they all help each other out by watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing to each other's channels. Number 4. Find communities and individuals around you or online that are looking for advertisement agencies. Offer them to create their ad for free and upload it to your channel and share the video link with them. Now these companies or individuals will want to share their ad as much as they can to help them grow, which will all count as views and more subscribers to your channel. Number 5. Watch the videos on YouTube that talks about SEOs and how to make a better channel or better content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to those channels. And make sure to leave them a comment, letting them know that you like their videos and are a subscriber now. In most cases, they will follow you back and subscribe to your channel and watch some videos and engage with you in the comments. If you master these tips to perfection, the rewards can be immense. And as always, thank you for watching.
See you next time.